Hi guys, just a quick video for you today. Didn't really want to get into this on this channel, but here we are. I'm pretty sure we're tired of hearing about this COVID-19, the coronavirus, but do bear with me. I'm no expert on this, obviously. I'm not a medical professional. I work as a photographer. So on that note, running and owning a small business is difficult. This virus and how it's impacted the world globally, it's horrible, of course. You know, people have lost their lives, people have lost loved ones, people have fallen ill. So to put things into perspective, what I'm going to talk about here, there's always the other side, which can be worse as well. You know, you can always be worse off, so just try to maintain some perspective, really. It's difficult when you're working as a freelancer and you're working by yourself in a small business. You've got a lot of hats to wear, and it's difficult to juggle all of that. It's difficult to juggle that with part-time work you may still be doing and a family, if you have one as well, let alone the concerns and worries of COVID-19. So maintain some perspective. You know, things can often be worse. We need to follow the advice given by medical professionals and by the government. If lockdowns are imposed and restrictions and so forth, social distancing. Yes, it's difficult, especially for a lot of small businesses and even, you know, larger businesses as well, but we have to work together and follow that advice. But the main point that I want to make in this video is don't feel that you have to struggle alone. Many businesses are going to really feel this. It's going to shut some doors of businesses, no doubt, with the effect that it's had on them financially. That's the reality of it, and it's a shame, but that's where we are. Now, I'm worried about mine. I know colleagues who run similar businesses who are worried about theirs as well. But shutting yourself down, burying your head in the sand, or trying to struggle through this by yourself and wear yet another hat is not really the way to deal with it. You need to be honest with yourself. You need to ask for help if you need it, even if it's just to sit down over the phone, over video chat. If you can't get together in person, given potential restrictions, and then just talk it out, just voice your concerns, help each other that way. Also be upfront and honest as well with the people that you are in business with, whether it's affecting an upcoming job that you've got, weddings that are booked, also whether it's affecting financially to the point where you may struggle with outgoings, say for studio rental, insurance costs, camera insurance and so forth. It's better to be honest with the companies and institutions that you're a member of or working with or paying regularly on invoices. Look, I'm struggling. Is there anything that we can do about this? Rather than sitting on it, letting it build, letting it build, letting it build, and it just hitting you when we're on the other side of this, and it's just going to be a nightmare. So be upfront and honest, and don't feel like you need to kind of bury your head in the sand and struggle alone. Just put your hand up, make a phone call, ask someone for some help. There's many organisations out there that can offer expert advice as well on the financial side. You know, be it accountants, financial institutions and so forth as well. Other peers maybe with more experience that have been in business for longer. We don't have to struggle through this alone, and that's really the main point of the video. So I'm going to stay away from COVID-19 and the coronavirus on this channel going forward as best I can do, because I'm pretty sure we're all tired of hearing about it. But this is a situation that we're dealing with, and we have to face it and deal with it together at the end of the day, so we can move forward, come out the other side and carry on. Also, one last note, I am live this evening at 7:30 from my friend's studio next door with Ian for his next live stream, where apparently I'm doing a 3-minute Lightroom edit challenge. So we'll see how that goes. Do join us. I'll pop a link to that live stream in the description below. I know this is a bit of a heavy topic talking about this, but don't struggle alone. Be upfront and honest with yourself and the people that you're dealing with within your business, and let's move forward against COVID-19 together. Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you in the next video.